This conference will now be recorded.
Let me share my screen. Just confirm me any one of the team member.
Able to see, sir.
Oh, thank you so much for the confirmation. Okay, I can see multiple like it's like different screen. I'll just stop the sound whether I can able to. Okay, is it clear my screen?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much. So actually, our course content like if we look like agenda or course content. So whenever we present some course details or course related, what are the concept we will cover for this course? What are the options we need to learn for the up skills? Either want to get the new future or job opportunity related. Uh, so different ways we can utilize this course and to achieve our goals. Either or new career also it will help each and every person. So just try to understand the each and every scenario wise either concept wise. So here I can say it is like if you do the very good practice more than 10 or 100 times also, that I can give you the best and you become a master either very good confident also when you are presenting either new skills or either any interview related interview or either if you want to use your existing project also, there you can utilize all the things if you are good at practice all the concept all the examples or scenarios. If you explained some points you can remember all the points, then it is very good to have the 100% confident there is no any uh, negative things also. Please avoid all the things and just focus on the course and to learn quickly and to practice more and more. That only I can give the very good suggestion. Don't take any negative, keep it in positive mind and try to learn and to get the very good new future and with better opportunity for the your career also. So just I'll go through the content for the course content. So what we will cover. So for this course, how much duration will cover all the things. Okay. So is it clear my voice? It is required little bit louder. Let me know. Anyone one person can. Yeah.
Yeah, it's
Is it
good.
clear, right? My voice is clear, right?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
yes, correct.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Thanks a lot for confirmation. So actually, we'll like for introduction for the Tosca automation tool. So we'll cover the overview of the Tosca and what are the features are there in Tosca, what are the benefits of the Tosca compared to other tools. Like if some people are working in manual testing, if they like nowadays we saw a lot of opportunities. If you have manual testing, at least any of the tool you should have the automation. Otherwise, our profile will weightage will be very less. So based on that one, I felt it is very good tool for the Tosca, and a future upcoming future also, we will target entire domains. It is not a single domain like finance, either a medicine side, either some different architecture, different domains we can target to complete all the domain side. Now already the 70 or 80% already covered Tosca. they are implemented like a use of the uh, domains based on their requirement. They are initially basic they have used. After that, their requirement is little bit they are upgrading the tool also, and it is very easy. There is no any single line of code. There is no single line of code for the to implement to capture the objects from the application. There is no single line of code. It is very easy. Like how we have idea about robo movie, how robo just it will scan for the book and it will keep inside. Whenever we'll ask some points for the particular page number, a robot can explain that page, what are the questions, what are the things are there. So same look like they have created this tool like that only. We will just capture the all the objects from the application and we'll add those objects only to the test steps only. So we'll just scan and drag and drop that two operations only we can perform the tool. Just we need to capture from the application those add those objects only we need to add the test steps. It is very similar, and like we have idea about the Microsoft Excel or document PowerPoint how it look like menu options. Same way only this also it is very easy, and to create the folder structure, to create the test cases, to add the same test case in different sessions. That is very easy and it is user friendly. If some people think this we can work or not, even non-IT, like the background it is look like it is non-IT, not for non-IT. They have chosen for the different courses for the education purpose. That also no, that person's also not no need to worry about the Tosca. Why? Because they can also learn and they can do their own self also. No need to approach other people to take the help or different approaches. Non-IT IT is not a matter. Matter is if we have multiple time practice, then only we can achieve our course quickly. Okay, so that take it in positive manner. First, we have to focus on our course. Once we complete a course, you will get the 100% confident on yourself only. That I can give the sure when you practice the 100%. That I can give. So, like future Tosca Commander is the interface. So, like interface, it's look like menu options. I said right, like when we open our windows in our system, folder structure like that. So modules also there, like how the human being required the heart. Tosca heart is in modules only. Without heart, we are not in live in the earth. But Tosca also same thing. Models is the main heart of the Tosca. Without models, there is no test step, there is no test cases. So we have different types of models: standard models, custom models, reusable models. So these things it will come under modules only. Like when we have controls, when we capture some controls in unique, ununique, the selected item is ununique. When we scan the objects from the application, that time we'll get the unmapped unique controls. Those we can do the control identifications in Tosca. We have multiple properties like identify by index, identify by anchor, or different we can capture and we can make the controls uniquely. And even test configuration parameters. Test configuration parameter will just introduce the whenever you want to pass the multiple test cases same data, then you can go and create the test configuration parameters. It's a just simple, but while working we will come to know where we need to use the test configuration parameter, where it will help us to make a better to work our test cases. So it is not only test cases related. We can create multiple ways in the test configuration parameter. Global or local test configuration parameter means we can create our entire project level. Cross browser testing, like I have seen multiple clients. They have only the Edge, either Internet Explorer, based on their application, their security reasons. So we have to test our test cases for the all the browsers. So user experience purpose only, we need to test all the scenarios in different browsers. We'll come to know the application is working perfectly for the all the browser. When the user will raise the query, I'm unable to open application in my browser. They will tell they don't know how to open the application from their browser. They'll tell the application is not opening in my browser. Like we don't know which browser they are opening their system. Uh, Browser settings, how to add the URL for that browser. Actually, in the admin group, we have to add our what are the applications we need to perform the automation. Those are application URL we need to add the whitelisted for the all the URLs. Otherwise, it won't to test. We are unable to test for the application. That part also will cover cross browser testing. A rescan, like rescan, we can able to scan the new objects. If any properties changed, we can add the new properties existing objects. Either existing objects we can add again new objects also, like how we can call existing user defined models. We can add new attributes with the existing user defined models, and we can update the existing user defined models with the new properties. That it will show us when we scan the rescan, it will show unmapped control for the who what are the controls we get the property changes. Those controls it will show you the unmapped controls that we can rescan, and we can add to the map, and we can add our steps existing user defined models. And if they added any new requirement for the existing user defined model, those also we can add, and we can test it our scenarios based on the requirement. Controls that time can you on they are from the application, and we can give the action mode to verify existing true or visible enabled. Some properties are there for inner text visible enabled. Those properties it will come under the action mode verify only. So inner text property only we can able to capture the data, and we can verify the whether the data spelling is correct or wrong, and which is come application data is correct or wrong. We can verify the inner text property for the all the controls. Regular expressions we can cover the date and string
Hello.
operations.
Sorry.
Uh, Hello. Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
Sorry
Sir,
to
Yeah.
I
Can you
interrupt,
hear me?
lost you
Motion.
from
So your voice is
race can
cutting as well.
actually.
We are not able to hear you properly.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, fine now.
Hello.
Yeah, now it's
Yeah.
better.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, yes, now it's better.
Yeah. Let me know why because I thought everyone hearing silent. So that's the reason
Again,
no
it's
problem.
Yeah,
breaking.
sure, sure. Now it's the
Yeah.
same issue happened.
Yeah. Just to wait 1 minute.
Yeah, sure, sure. Thank you.
Getting some alert from the you're in mute or something. Okay. So is it clear now?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, it's better
So
now.
let me know which point I have missed out. I'll repeat once again. Okay.
Could you please repeat it from race can?
Rescan. Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay. So rescan only when we have user existing user defined models. If they have some new features, they have added existing some new features added in the application. Those we can add a new attributes for the existing user defined models by using rescan. And if you have any properties changed for the your existing user defined models, those property it will show you the, when we rescan the, it will show the unmapped control for the those controls. So that unmapped controls also we have to map the correct control, and we can give the updation for the property changes. And verify action mode also we can cover the four property for the existing, enabled, visible, and inner text. If you want to capture the text or something, and if you want to store the text, and you can verify the verify action mode, and the controls is available or not, enabled or not, visible, those we can do the action mode verify, and we can cover those 4 points for the action mode verification only. And regular expression we can cover multiple regular expression. What are the regular expressions have the, like here we have regex different we can call terminology, but everything is same only. If you want such particular data in the, if the content have the big size of the content, if you want to search that content, we just can pass the a regular expression to search enter content, like we know the wildcard operation. So that way we can use here. And dynamic expressions also we have dynamic expressions, date format, string operations, and different format we can cover the dynamic expressions also. And buffer operations we know the use buffer operations like static buffers and dynamic buffers. Static buffers it will come under with the inbuilt things in Tosca standard modules only. Dynamic buffer means if you want to capture data from the application, you want to perform to we want to perform the verification part for the dynamic, we can use the uh, dynamic buffers. So that I will come to the clear picture when we go through the scenarios with the example. You will understand the clear on the dynamic buffer and static buffers. Select action mode when we can use only the if the content is unique, then only we can use the select action mode. And even when we use the constraint, when we capture the tables in the application, that time by default when we select the particular row, that time default if the row is unique, then the select action mode also it will utilize the entire list of items also. So constraint means we can perform the table data to make the constraint particular value, and we can search that based on that value. We can verify the remaining list of item data, and even if you want to even if you want to verify the constraint list item, also we can verify the by using action mode constraint. We can handle in dynamic also by using constraint. Like that when we data is updating, keep changing the data also, we can perform the dynamic way with the complex scenarios also. Okay. Synchronization timeout and synchronization method, it this also a dynamic only. So we have standard model t box wait, that it is static value, how much time you have given the t box wait value, that much time it will wait and it will move to the next step. But synchronization timeout and synchronization wait-on is different. It is dynamic. For example, you have set the 10 seconds for the particular control. So if you give the t box wait, it will take 10 seconds. Even the control is available also. So if you use this synchronization, for example, when we executed this scenario, it will take 2 seconds also. Sometime it will take 10 seconds also. But depends on the, if we have use of data in our application, might be application load will take more time. So that time this synchronization timeout it will help us. For example, our application is open within 2 seconds, but you when you are updated in synchronization time 10 seconds or 1 minute also, but application is open within 2 seconds. Remaining 58 seconds it won't wait. If you give the t box wait, if you give the 1 minute also, once completed 1 minute, then only it will move to the next step. So dynamic and stat 2 we can cover the synchronization. Wait on only for the particular controls only, not for the application load only. Application load only, it will cover the time, synchronization timeout. Wait on only for the, we can set for the control to get the available particular time, and once the control is available, it will move to the next step immediately. So exception handling and error handling and recovery scenarios, the terminology way we call different way, but everything is same only. Exception handling, error handling, recovery scenarios, everything is same only. When we will perform the exception handling, when we get the any errors in our application, either any pop-ups, we know what type of pop-ups will come, either server side, either pop-ups will come only the server, client side pop-ups only. In errors or something, it will come server side. It is very simple. While doing our content, will explain each and everything, point to point, pin to pin. So we can use here recover scenarios. It is very important things also while working. Sometime application is down. If the application is not stable also, we can perform more and more in recovery scenarios. Even recur scenario also, if we fail, then it will move to the all in cleanup scenarios. Cleanup. What are the steps we need to perform recover scenario? What are the steps we need to perform in cleanup scenario? Those steps we will add under the cleanup scenario, under the recover scenarios only. How we will define all the things we will cover under the uh, scenarios only. Conditions, we have if statements and looping statements. If statement, we can perform when we require to verify particular condition. Based upon the condition, what are the steps we need to perform. It is very simple. It is not complex on like C++, Java, or C#.NET. How we will use condition, not that much it is very basic concepts in the statement. It is very user friendly also. When you're practicing the scenarios, you will come to know very easy, oh, this much, like that you feel like. And if statement like loopings also same thing only. We have a while, do while only. Like while only, we can give the condition. After that, if the condition is satisfied, then it will move to the loop. Do while first it will start the loop, then it will go for the condition. Just reverse only, there is no difference. Both is same only. But while we can do the first verification for condition, next it will move to the loop. But do while first it will go to the loop, then it will move to the condition. And if you want to take the screenshot from the all test steps, we can use the text screenshot standard models. And where you want to give the in work site, we have shared path or work site, those path name and what name we need to give the particular screenshot. You can perform those things. And even you can capture the execution list. It will show you the all the screenshot for the generating the reports. It will ask the reports how we can generate the reports, including screenshot or excluding screenshot. There we can select all the options. Report validation, generating the execution list only to generate all the reports, including screenshot with the steps, with the values also. What are the values we have passed input? All the things we can capture from the reports only. Dynamic expression, I said when we covered in regular expression there. Here we can cover all the dynamic expressions, so date formats and some math functions and string operations. With the dynamic also we can cover here. Libraries, it is very important libraries in the Tosca. When we will use the libraries, for example, when while doing scenarios, if we have using multiple test scenarios with the same steps, every time we have to add that step, means it will come multiple times in same step. Either it will show also duplicate also. So those repeated steps, we can create the libraries and we can add those test steps under the reusable components only. So those we can cover the each and every scenario also with the examples, with the elaborated steps wise, where we can use the libraries. What is the use of the libraries? Without library, we will not work in the real time. That is core of the application. Business parameter, if you want to pass the different values from the test case level, so you can create the under the reusable blocks, you can create the business parameter, and wherever you want to pass the values in test case level, you can pass the business, we can pass the values in by using business parameter. Data driven test, if you want to perform 100 account numbers, you want to create 100 account numbers, we can create the test case template with the same test steps with the different data set. So like you want to perform 100 account numbers, just go for the template creation and set up the data to add that data to the template, and we can run the instant template. We will get each account number one test case, and it will perform with each scenario less than 10 seconds or 20 seconds only. It won't take that much time. It is very helpful for more and more data driven test. Here it will cover a lot of things in the different data set, like database, either a test data management, Excel data. Based on the client, if they are provided the Excel data, we need to perform those Excel data, then we can able to work on the by using template. Even if the data is coming different data also, we can do the dynamic everything. There is no unique static things here. Test data management, test mandate means if you want to perform same test in different test engineers, we can create the test mandate and we can perform the same test case into the test mandate for the execution list. If you perform that test mandate, your test result, my test result also, it will not overcome. It will create separate logs for each other. It won't override for the other test result also. So that's the reason we can create the test mandate under the execution list only. Explicit name means actually in a real time we never change the models to attribute data, but I don't know why they have implemented. Might be naming changes purpose also they given explicit name, but we will not change the test step attribute name. If change the attribute name, then Tosca step test step it won't work. But they still implemented the changing the attribute name also. Explorer scenario testing, like manual testing, without knowing the functionalities, without knowing the test steps, we just perform the Explorer scenario testing.
Sir,
Browser
sorry
back,
for the interrupt.
yeah, yeah, go ahead, go ahead.
Explicit name in Tosca means like in application you are saying about the module name, or else whatever the
No, no.
test we are writing for that, we if we need to change any name for that, it will be useful.
Yeah, when we capture the object, after capturing the object, we need to move to the that object to the test case steps, right? So
Uh,
under the test case steps, we have attribute, right? That attribute name we can change the by using the explicit name. You got it? Or in test
I
step
think maybe
level only,
while
we can change
doing
the.
I may get
Huh?
it. While doing I may get it. Not
Yeah,
clear.
it's simple. Like when we add this test step, then we can give the test step means it is module attribute only, right? So the attribute name, if you want change, then we can change the attribute name also. But if you not use the explicitity, then we cannot change the attribute name. That I'll show you the more elaboration on the while doing this scenario
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure. Thank you.
with the multiple example to understand all the things.
Sure, thank you.
Hmm. Yeah, sure. Thank you. So browser back means when you are performing, it will redirect to the a different page. Again, you have to come back to the home page. So that time we can use the browser back with the uh, some standard models only. And cardinality, we can perform same test step, same attribute in multiple times. We can set the module attribute cardinality property 0 to 1 is default. We can set 0 to n, that it will work multiple times same attribute only. How to handle multiple tabs? We have some consent index in our new tab. If you are forget to close the tab, again you launch the scenario testing, scenario execution. It will launch the new tab. So Tosca doesn't understand which tab need to select the particular control. So that time we can use the consent index to handle which tab we need to select and to perform the our test case, so that it will cover the multiple handling with the browser. Mouse, or like when we select the mouse, then it will select the under the hiding controls, we can do the mouse over only. T-box start time or T-box stopper time, we need to verify and reduce the execution timelines, and we can give the time also. When we give the start time, stopper time, we will come to know the scenario, how many seconds, how much time it will take. Based on that one, we can give the timelines also, and you will get to know the exact time, how much time it will take for the entire scenarios. So I said right, like we can fetch data from the Excel, either test data management, or either if you have data with the flat data, we can convert that to the Excel, and we can use those data to the Excel data. Also, we can connect Excel data, and we can get the details from the Excel also. Not only inbuilt things, we can get the data from the Excel also.
Sir, can we
Uh,
connect to the database from Tosca?
yeah, yeah, yes, that should come in under the integration part. So we should have integration things set up. If we have integration, then we can perform our queries also in our Tosca.
So, using the Tosca tool, what kind of applications we can test?
Yeah, we can test all kind of application like web application, desktop application, SAP application, Salesforce, API testing, and command prompt. Like we have Linux command prompt, right? Reflection workspaces also. Any kind of application we can implement in Tosca compared to other tools. Like for example, we select the Selenium, we can
Mhm.
only test web
Yeah.
application, either API testing or something. But Tosca can uh, uh, perform any kind of applications,
Okay.
and it is very user friendly. Like if we are new to IT, also if we don't have that much of technical also, it is very easy manner
So,
to.
in this tool, do
Sir,
you
it
have
does.
any frameworks?
Does it support mobile application testing?
Yeah, mobile testing also there.
Okay.
Yeah.
They
And
have
using,
implemented all the like they have entered all the modules now. Previously, they have entered only web applications API testing only, API testing and integration also, database integration. Now they have like almost all the modules they have covered now.
and while giving the training, can you explore all these modules?
In mobile testing, I'll not cover why, because that is different setup. We should
Mhm.
have the a live application. I cannot give the promise on that. Why? Because that scenarios is different. But if you know how to use the Tosca commander, if you know when the scenarios, you will get the mobile application, either a SAP application, either a Salesforce application, either a web application or API testing. The
Mhm.
testing we know how to do in the Tosca. The pattern will be different. The pattern how you will come to know when we receive these scenarios, based upon that setup will be there as, and even they will share us the steps, those steps in the document. When we get join the organization, they will share us what are the steps we need to perform. Those steps once we perform, no, remaining everything is same for the Tosca. There is no
So
different things.
in this tool, do we have any frameworks? In Selenium, we have a data-driven framework and
Yeah,
hybrid.
yes.
We have,
Here also have modular framework template. Yes, we have.
so here is also reusable
That
methods
that
that
uh,
will.
the,
Yes, yes.
those frameworks also that frameworks can we expect in this course to cover?
Yeah, that is. We will cover modular framework and template framework. Everything we will cover all the things. Tosca, what are the framework
Oh,
is available? All the framework we will cover the this time this course only.
okay.
Do you also cover
Major
ETL testing with this tool?
what? Come again?
ETL testing. Do you also
ETL
cover?
testing. That no, I will not cover the ETL testing. Why? Because that is completely integration part. First, we should have
Oh,
the integration things in our system, and we have connectivity with the database. Then only we can able to test the ETL testing. But we know the part we have to do the admin team, the installation part for the integration, connection string. Actually, they have to provide all the credential for us to connect the database. Once we are able to connect the database, no, then remaining everything is same only in Tosca. That it will come under the admin team part only. That they will not allow us to do all the setup. Why? Because that is not for our role. They have to set up the integration part for the Tosca. While working scenario based, you will come to know how to use that database. It is normal only as usual. How we are performing the web application, Salesforce application, same and only. ETL testing. What are the things we have to perform? Like schema, schema and column names. We have to validate the data types. Those things only, right? And data also. How much data it is coming from. So that things we can. Hello.
I think someone were not muted. Sir.
Yeah. Who is I don't know. Uh, if possible, can you please let me know that person? I can at least I can mute first. Yeah, I think they have muted. That like a way of using that tool we know, then we can perform any kind of application. If we are new to that application, also we can understand easily. There is no that much of complexity on this tool. If they
so,
are
sir,
giving
whatever may be the kind of
Srinivas.
application, the same concepts are going to use it, correct? Pattern would pattern is different, but procedure would be same.
yeah, yes, correct. Yeah, Ashwin. Yeah, Ashwin. Yeah, you can ask. No problem. Hello, Ashwin. Someone is raised
Yeah,
the hand.
Srinivasan, this side.
Yeah,
Hello.
yeah. I can hear you. Tell me.
I want to know about what about the like Jira and the different kinds CI/CD and HPLM. That is also covered in this course. How to
No,
integrate with the different
actually,
kind of third-party application. Yeah.
yeah. So actually, integration part now, like Tosca also they have introduced new like how we have HPLM, Jira. Based on the client, if the client is accepting, the integration will be happen in the Jira also, even ALM also. But nowadays, even Tosca also have the how ALM and how Jira like that also TQ is there in the TQ management is there in Tosca inbuilt things to track the how we are tracking the ALM or Jira. Same way, they have given now TQ management in the that one. So if you want to perform in the Jira either ALM, we should have the integration for the ALM and Jira. That integration part, everything admin have to do the configuration for our Tosca commander. As of now, I have seen multiple clients will use separately. Why? Because based like if they are able to take the license for the integration thing, they will configure all the things in the admin person only. It is there. Jira we can able to perform by using Tosca. ALM also we can perform by using Tosca. When you run these scenarios, all the status will be updated from the ALM and Jira only. But that should be integration part. If the tool is integrated in Tosca, then we can perform that also. If client is not performing that way, then we have to work individual ALM and Jira also as per our process.
Okay, what about the Salesforce 3.0? It is also in this course or not?
Uh, as for my understanding, Salesforce it is like a web application type only. There is no
Yes, yes,
any
yes, that's correct.
yeah, there is no any different things like a web application and Salesforce. Everything is same only. There is no any difference. If you have application URL with the, we can also create our own self and we can practice same scenarios in a Salesforce also. There is no any different.
So, okay, so this course is also cover the only the basic things like Q test. What about the Q test and the SAP things, ERA test? It is coming under this course.
No, SAP that I have not covered SAP and other things. I can cover web application things. Those things only we can able to execute other application, other modules also. There is no any new changes in the other applications.
Yeah, most of the time is with the working on the agile methodology. So we are using the desk most of the time for the less timing of execution. So that's why I'm asking. See if it is
Yeah,
covered in this course, that will be good for us.
yeah, Dex. If we have set up Dex, we can perform. That is not a big one, right? It is. We should have the access on the Dex. Then only we can perform, right?
Yeah, that's correct.
Yeah.
Okay,
If
thank
like
you.
if we have set up, then we can perform. It is very easy. Like we know, right, how to create the events. It is simple. If
Yeah,
you want
like
to
virtual
set,
machine.
yeah. For example, simple. If you want to set the alarm morning 5 o'clock early morning, how we will set our mobile same only. There is no that much of complexity. What are the scenarios you want to perform particular time? You can use that script to the particular event. Under that event only, it will trigger a particular time we can set for the Dex.
Yeah,
If
okay.
you have access, you
So
can
I
perform.
have,
Yeah,
yeah, definitely. I have last one more question. When do you plan to start this course? And
yeah,
how much time it will be take, and what are the timing? All those things. Could you please explain me? If
yeah,
you have.
yeah. Daily we have 1 hour session. We can cover 35
Okay.
hours only. Based upon that,
Mm-hmm.
we can cover all the scenarios. We cannot give just a simple definition and simple basic examples. We can give the, if you
Mm-hmm.
want, if you are learning this course, you have to work on your application. You have to get the, even if you are moving another company, you have to overcome the entry part. Even if you join a new company, you are able to work your individual. You should not depend other people. That is the main core of the course. We should not depend others, right? When we are moving new organization, when we want to upgrade our up skills also. So the main core
Okay.
is that one only. We should not depend
Yeah,
anyone.
most of the
We
companies
have to
already
work.
expected the Tosca.
Yes. Yeah. So I heard multiple companies are have the upgraded all. See, I wondered recently we are upgrading all Selenium application, Selenium testing. All we are doing migration in the Tosca now. Uh, I only I don't know how why they are planned like that. Like how many applications they have implemented in Selenium, they have given for us to do the migration for the Tosca.
And in a way,
See, the
because Tosca
visibility
is the
and
one.
mm, yes, yes.
Sorry. So, what about the certification like AS1, AS2, TDS, and TDS2? How it will
So
be covered? Like,
yeah, certifications and working related, and even if you want to move to the new uh, opportunities, those it will cover under entire the course only. If you
okay, okay.
practice well and if you are doing well everything, you're only able to clear your certification. There is no that much of complexity on the certification. Why? Because you already know all the concepts how you are performing the scenarios. It is very basic questions for the certification, but if you know, then you are able to answer and you will get 100% score of the certification. If you practice 100%, that I can help you, but it is your effort only. I can guide you how to
Yeah,
get these certification related things.
yeah, that's true.
Yeah, definitely. I can help you the certification related. First, focus on the core of the course only. You are able to work
Hmm.
your upcoming projects, either new opportunity. You have to perform your individual things only. We should not depend any one of the team member, any one of the other people. Certifications you are able to do. I know there
So,
is no
sir,
that
we have we have certifications or badges.
batches means. Yeah,
We
actually,
have a separate
uh,
certification or badge.
yeah, actually, when we started career, that time we have completely certifications. Now they have upgraded all badges only. When we
So
log in our
there'll be no
price,
certificate, right? There is no separate certification.
yeah, when like in a company they'll ask right whether you have completed AS1, AS2, TDS1, TDS2. They'll ask right, yes, you can say yes, I have completed. They'll ask share me the any screenshot of. Just take the screenshot of the badges and you can share them. They will come to know. That is proof of them you have
Okay,
completed.
sir. Okay.
When you
Okay,
are
that
doing the
certification will like we can
yeah,
download from the Tosca application. I think so, as per my knowledge.
Tricentis application, yeah, we have separate portal for that. We can download.
Yes,
I cannot tell the download,
Tricentis
but we
Academy
have
we can
the
download from
yeah,
there.
yeah, yes, correct. Academy,
So it is like a badges means it is like a Salesforce trial head type.
Salesforce.
In Salesforce trial heads, right? If you are doing the course, what they were telling, we will get the badges. Is that, or we have to take any certification, exam, and then they will give a badge.
No, no. Actually, once we have to complete all the course content for the certification. Once we completed the course content, then you will get the exam, final exam. The
Okay,
final exam you have to give the answers. Then once the final exam is clear, 100%, then you will get the badge.
okay, okay.
Hmm.
Okay, this
It is
exam will be
Uh,
going to conduct on the Tricentis Academy or like ISA Training Academy. Anything.
no, no. It is like actually now like they have tie up with the Tricentis Academy only.
Okay, okay,
Uh,
then good.
Earlier it
Okay.
was there in when we registered that earlier it was there same, but now like more people are coming right, so they have given academy. There we have to perform all the videos, our content, course content. Then we can give the exam for there.
Yeah. Okay.
Recently, I've given some of the few people like have the less questions on the certifications.
Okay. Sir, I have two
Do you have
down.
any
Like,
examples of the certification if you have as of now? So can you see?
Yeah, actually, if you see if you people can see the my link, no, previously the certification will be look like this only. You are able to see my screen, right?
Okay. This is the
Previously,
old one, right?
yeah.
when I have started my career in Tosca, no, this way it is there. Now, actually, they have given in the badges that I'll show you when we'll start tomorrow onwards. We'll start our classes tomorrow onwards. So if you people have any queries enrollment related, you can connect with the Isha training people only. They will help you all the things. So tomorrow onwards, our classes will start the sessions.
So total time
Sir,
it
one
will be
last.
take like 45 days or 40 days, right?
Yeah, like
Uh,
we have Monday to Friday only. So Saturday, Sunday, we have very huge time to practice each and every scenario. Really, it will help you people.
Yeah, thank you for the giving me some answers.
Yeah,
Thank you so
really, it
much.
will help you the weekend only. For example, due to our works or some other tasks we are performing, we have to uh, update our things also, right? So weekend you can able to practice how much time you can utilize. That time you can utilize the weekend.
What about the tool
hello.
access
That
to
all I
practice?
will help. I can help you the license related everything. Don't worry.
Okay.
First, just connect with the team whoever there. Just get them enrollment everything. Then whoever do the enrollment as soon as possible, then we will get the uh, license set up everything. I'll help you the team members all.
Okay.
So
Sir,
license
do
setup,
you provide
which is
any
like
kind
I
of
think the agree is.
do you provide any kind of document
Yes,
on the
yes,
topic?
yes. Yeah, like while sharing the scenarios, no. So that time only I will provide you the each and every scenario steps. Once we
No.
completed the course, also I will provide you the basic of the scenario with the example, and along with the interview questions also I will provide you the end of the course.
Okay, but now you have explained like just overview of each and
Yeah, yes,
everything. Right? For those
yes.
things to understand, do you give a document with example? That's what I'm asking.
Yeah, I'll give you the document, not for the example. Example will already cover the each and every
Okay,
concept
okay, okay.
wise
For practice,
mindable
yeah,
scenarios.
sure.
Yeah,
Yeah,
document
but
will be there.
definition kind of thing.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes, yes, yes,
what is what like.
yes. Yeah,
Okay,
even interview
okay,
questions also I will provide you. Don't worry about that.
okay. Sure, sure. Thank you.
Even
Sir,
like it is main importance of the upcoming new organization either. If we are changing the different project also, they will conduct for our profile evaluation, right? So we should know
Yeah,
what are the questions they have covered, what are the scenarios they will ask. Even if we select also, we know how to work on our a new opportunity or existing company also. Those things we will overcome all the things under this course only. No need to worry about. If you are 100% practice, you are 100% confident. There is no any single minus things. There is no any single negative things.
okay. So one last question from my side. So you will be covering only on web application in this course, correct?
Yeah, it is fine for the web application. Why? Because the main core of the web application only, it will cover the entire modules. Like if you are testing SAP application, you are just using the standard modules only. To using some standard models only. That models we know how to use the standard models for the different scenarios with the web application or API testing. Same way we know the how to use, then we can use it and we can implement our things. First, we should
Okay.
know
Do you
what are the
have
standard.
any? Do we have? Sorry.
Yeah,
Continue. Continue.
yeah. Come again, no problem. Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah. Do we have any chance that we can get any practice on API testing as well, along with web application testing?
I will not give the promise, but I will guide you how to do the API testing. Web application, anyways, SAP, web application, Salesforce, it will come under the web application only. There is no much difference that you people come to know when you people enter the things to do.
Oh, okay.
API testing, I'll show you the scenarios. I will show you the scenarios. It is there already
Yeah.
inbuilt in your Tosca commander. Don't worry about that.
Yeah. That's like how do we gonna set up those URLs, and at least one or two examples
we
if you show,
we
it
have
would be very
already
useful.
we have already inbuilt workspace in the Tosca command only.
Oh,
I'll just show
oh,
you
that.
that. I'll just show you that example. You just go through the example. You will come to know that things. There is no complexity.
Okay. Okay. Sure. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
No
Hi, sir.
problem.
Sir, one last
Yeah. Hi.
question. Sir, one last
Yeah.
question.
Hi.
I think somebody has asked about the integration with
Yeah.
Jenkins. So, will Tosca provide any integration with Jenkins so that it will automatically run during any deployments or any change, or we have to run it from the execution list?
So Jenkins and integration part, everything they have to configuration to do the setup everything configuration part for the Tosca. How we are performing execution, those way only we have to perform the execution. If you have to use the Jenkins either integration things, there is no any other option as for my knowledge. That is all. It will come only the tracking purpose. That all. It is different source, right? If you want to perform Tosca different source, must have to do the integration things. Once we done the configuration part, then it will perform each and every uh, things into the Tosca.
Sir, here, I mean, these configurations and all admin need to set up in the sense, what does it mean? Can you tell me?
Means, for example, when we join the organization, laptop
Okay,
will
that
have,
kind.
yeah.
Okay,
So
understood. Admin
setup
support.
things
Okay.
who can do like some
Yeah,
of the
yeah,
organization.
understood.
Yeah, some of the organization they can just give the document,
Yeah,
go through the document and do it yourself. They'll give the
yeah,
steps with the path. If they give that way, then we
understood.
have to perform ourselves only. There is no other option.
Yeah, understood.
Mm.
Yeah.
Mm. Anyone have any questions? Feel free ask. No
Uh,
problem.
sir, I have a
Yeah. Hi,
question
Sirisha.
on,
Yeah.
yeah, class timings will be the same like today's demo.
Uh, Tomorrow onwards, the sessions will start.
Mm-hmm.
Like the course main core will start tomorrow onwards classes only.
Mm-hmm.
So today
I
I'll
want,
just cover the yeah,
I guess,
yeah,
I
let
just
me know.
want to know the timings, like same timings or different timings.
No, same time only, 9 to 10.
Yes. Yeah, okay, sir. That's what I want to know. Okay, sir.
Yeah, same
Thank you.
timing only.
Okay.
Today we are multiple people, right, to connectivity, some issues. So because of that, it will delay 5 or 10 minutes only. No problem. Tomorrow onwards, exactly we will complete the 9 to 10 only with the
Okay.
uh, clear points with the things.
Thank you, sir.
Some people messaged. I didn't see in the message. Don't mind if you people have any enrollment related, either anything. Feel free connect with the team. Isha team people are there, and feel free me also. You can ping the WhatsApp group. We can help all the things. No need to worry about. Okay.
Okay.
Anyone have any questions? Hello, someone sending message. I don't know, but I don't while screening sharing. Show my private message. Okay. Yeah, I will provide you the Tosca access. Don't worry. I can help you the set up things, license related, everything. I can help you the just get touch with the team. Just get touch with the team. Do the as soon as possible in the enrollment. Then we'll start the session tomorrow onwards only.
Okay.
Yeah, there is no delay on that. Tomorrow onwards we'll start the session for the training. Even though we don't have organization mail ID, is it possible to get license? Yeah, I'll help you. Don't worry about the license related setup. License related, don't worry. I'll guide you each and every point how to do the setup. Like actually, without organization email ID, we will won't get the license either certifications also. That I will help you how to do all the things. Anyone have any questions? No problem. Feel free can ask. There is no harmful on the questions. Is it fine how the delivery things? Is it good or bad or average? You can suggest me while doing anything, whether I'm getting doing a faster way or slowness. If your voice is not clear, also you can ask. Feel free me ask me multiple times. I can give the multiple examples also. If you ask
Hi, I have
something,
one
you will not.
question.
Yeah, yeah. Go ahead.
What is the course duration? Like how many months?
Not months. It is in 35 hours. Like you just think of one like 40 days like that.
Okay, so after the course completion, will we make a project so that we can share our
Yes,
project
yes.
in our
Yeah,
resume?
yeah, yes. Yeah, I can cover the resume along with the project also. I'll just give the one module for that project. Remaining modules I'll give to the uh, scenario you people. You people able to do, then it is good. If something failing or some issues, I can guide you to the complete the project. We have
Okay,
project also in real time how we can perform our self only.
okay. Do we get the recorded sessions?
Yeah, yeah, definitely. See, tomorrow onwards, each and every session you will receive whoever and all the team, no? Each and every
Okay,
session you will receive the record
okay. So
till
the
to
access will be
complete
for
the yeah.
okay. So the access will be for the lifetime or for a certain months,
No, no,
like till
it's
we
a
get the
lifetime.
job, like in Tosca.
Yeah, yeah. No, no. It is lifetime. There is no any harm on that.
Okay,
You
and the
can
updates in the Tosca, you will update from yourself only, and we can see from the recorded sessions after the coaching completion. If any
actually
updates will come. Hmm.
see while like for example course see tool versions or anything that doesn't matter. The main core of the course means we have to cover and we have to overcome the new future of the tool and the new future of the new applications also. There is no any difference that for example I'm using some complex scenarios, some different pages. For example, simple example, my objects are their images have the multiple controls. It look like image only, but the inside the image have the multiple controls. So if you want to
Okay.
capture the image control, we uh, should have the proper properties. But that is
Okay.
image how we have to capture the image controls. So that we have multiple option to capture the image control also. If we don't have the setup on our Tosca, we the team will help you to upgrade our setup. The futures has don't have the access for our ID. They'll help you to uninstall the Tosca setup and install with the a new future. It won't take
Okay.
that much of time. Yeah, that it will
Okay.
be there. Yeah,
Okay. Thank you.
no problem.
Sir, like as you said, if we get to know the concepts and grip on this Tosca, so how will be
Yeah,
the job opportunities in future?
yeah. See, the market is now huge compared to other tools. The market is huge, and as for my understanding, my experience, it is a very good platform. Whoever not knowing the technical things, and even if they have worked on like core technologies like Java or .NET, some different, it is very easy them. Even non-technical team also can do the tool easily. And job related, there is no
Okay.
complexity. As for my understanding, there is no complexity. Don't fear anything. It is you will get to 100% confident on your things. Openings are there, coming
Okay.
openings more now soon. Even I am also
Okay.
wondering in my organization have the multiple positions. Recently, I heard this
Oh,
week 400 positions have the multiple technologies like Tosca and different
oh, very
like
nice.
Salesforce developer, Salesforce admin, sales different. I heard Tosca have the more profiles in my organization.
Okay.
So in the previous training people,
Hmm.
how many people are placed?
Mm, that it is things different. If you want, I'll tell you the names. I'll while joining the course, I'll introduce that people also. I'll add them also. They'll guide you how they have got the jobs, how they are in the way of things. That while entering the course, I'll add them also. They'll explain you people whoever got the jobs, how they are now positioned. They'll explain you each and every step while you doing the course. I'll add one by one person when they are free. I'll connect with them. If they have time, we can add them also in our session. They can give few minutes for some time. I cannot share that, but I'll tell you that things later.
No, I'm just asking is the 50% of people are placed or how it is like that.
Yes, yes, 50% like see the depends on the person. Some people come join and they can do the proper way practice.
Mm.
Definitely 100% they got the job. Some people they learn a few days after that they are not interested. They have not performed properly. Might be they won't get the job.
Okay.
Yeah, I can give you the 100%. Whoever practice very well, they'll get 100% job. There is no different.
So is the opportunities more in India or in other places? That means
Yeah,
in
like
USA.
see, we have India clients also, domestic clients also, projects. Even onshore also have the multiple projects. There now all are migrating the Tosca only. They are not using the other tools. They are
Okay.
migrating completely to the Tosca only. As of now, what are the tools they have used so far? Now they are all are migrating to the Tosca. Even user can also execute their test scenarios
Okay.
when
With
they
your
deployment.
training,
Yeah,
uh, as we can enter in the Tosca training tester, and that means initial beginning testing Tosca or any professional, how many years we can put our experience?
yeah. That I will cover all the things once we enter the course related. No. Keep I'll post you the all the related to job searching related things that I'll give the
Generally, I'm asking how many
100%
years of
guidelines.
experience, how many years of experience you will generally put for marketing your resume after your training
Mm, my suggestion three, above
on
three,
Tosca.
two,
On Tosca.
yeah, two, yeah, two or above two. You can give above two, you will get the more opportunities.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, people don't have the more experience they cannot give, right? So more than two plus enough for the Tosca. They'll get more opportunities.
My previous experience as a manual tester, and I worked in Google, so I can't um, change that experience, right? So how can I add those 2 years of experience? Now 6 months I have the break.
So simple, don't mind. Total IT experience, how much you have? Just for example, just give me. Don't give the overall. Just example. Give me the experience.
Yeah, I have
Total
six
experience in IT.
6+ years.
Yeah, enough. You can update in 4 years. You can get the better package with the better position on that. That I will guide you. Don't worry about that all.
Okay.
Based on the experience, how we can handle it. That way we can handle it in the resume mode. Don't worry about all. You will able to clear the interview also. If you update 3 plus 4 plus also. Yourself no need to depend any other people.
Mm, yeah. Okay.
So one more question, as Tosca
Yeah.
is a paid tool, how are the companies, because in market we have, so most of the tools are freeware, but Tosca is a paid one.
Hmm.
Right?
So Tosca is
How
paid one
would
only.
the
But
companies
yeah,
so
actually, yeah,
taking up this one? Yeah.
yeah, actually, when the tool is introduced to the market, the cost will be huge only. Now the like for example, in my project we are taken 20 to 30 license from the Tricentis team. The cost automatically it will reduce. The market is huge now, so the automatically the cost will be reduced. So because of that, each and every company are using now. Initially, MNC company only started, now not MNC company. Even level three also startup companies also started to using Tosca only.
And I worked on UFT before, and it looks similar to UFT, but the only difference is UFT is with code, and this is model based.
Yes, correct. Even this also model based only, but we want to do any coding. It is zero coding only. Everywhere the framework will be same only. The way of working is different only. There we require any technology, something we should know the technologies. But here it is not required any technology. It is zero technology, zero coding, zero no need, not required for any technology for this Tosca. It is zero coding only. It is very simple syntaxes only for the passing the values. Uh, Someone is messaged. Yeah, okay. So anyone have any doubt, or else we can wind up this call and just touch with the Isha team only. They'll help you people how to enroll, how to get the license, everything. Even I will also help. Just keep post the messages to the group. We will revert on you that group. We have group, right? WhatsApp group. Just keep post there. We will help.
Okay.
Yeah. Tomorrow onwards we'll start the classes. We won't delay anything. Do it as soon as possible. your things. So anyone is there onshore team members here? Onshore. I didn't hear anyone here or there. Anyone is there onshore?
Sir,
Hello. Yeah, yeah,
yeah, so one last question. So actually,
yeah.
due to layoffs and all, like almost my team members and including with me, like we lost the jobs. Okay,
Okay.
and yeah, I mean, like real thing I'm telling. So there is no hiding in this. So like due to like not getting projects in the organization and due to layoffs also, like recently we lost the job. So I completely worked on manual testing only. So I can put I mean 8 years experience I have on manual testing. So I can put this as like some 2 or 2 plus, and I can try for next things, right? As I don't
Yeah,
have
yeah.
any
Definitely.
knowledge.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. You can do that. That you can do.
Okay.
So they'll ask entry point of view. What are the concept? What are the practice we have done? They'll ask that much only. Even scenario also. You just tell them. For example, what are the scenarios you practice? Explain that also, no issue. Don't tell the application name. Just for example, you can tell what steps you have performed practice. Explain that
Hmm.
practice steps only. Enough. They'll not ask much questions on you when you explain these steps. What you
Oh,
practice scenarios.
okay. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Pin to pin also you will able to explain why because you know
Hmm.
how to add each and every test steps.
Yeah.
So depends on the practice only you are able to. It is not
Yeah.
required of written English at Oxford University. We just have small basic also we can explain them in um, our own
Yeah.
style only.
Yeah. Understood. Understood.
Mm.
No, I'm just worrying about the coding only, as I don't have
No,
any
no, there
knowledge
is
on
no coding.
coding. And
Here you enjoy, there is no coding.
if I see that coding itself, I am getting tears.
No, no, no. That will come sometime. Everyone is hard to know that things.
Okay.
But what we can do, we don't have any other option. We have to work on our things only, right? So
Yeah,
that
yeah,
time we will get everyone like developer when have the new enhancement with the complex in, then everyone will get like that only. We have
yeah.
already performed some existing modules that is not harmful for us. We can get the same script from the different application, our same module or some Google, and we can add it. If come any new enhancement with the new complex scenarios, if they have not given proper timelines, then we have to be uh,
Yeah, understood.
different manner.
Mm.
We have to the main key role we have to do the managing skills only.
Mm, mm, mm.
Yeah,
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
yeah, no, no problem. So anyone have any questions? Feel free ask me, or else we'll stop the session today. So tomorrow we'll start 9 o'clock. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Anyone have any questions? Last, or else anything is there? Just post me the questions or anything in group in WhatsApp group. Me or either our team members will revert on you people. Okay?
Okay, so tomorrow also we have to join in the same bridge, right?
Yeah, that our team will help you.
Oh,
That I think the same bridge only. I think. Uh,
oh,
I'll they will post on you that group only. If it is same, they'll reply that thing. Just message
oh,
it them for the questions you
sure,
people have.
sure, sure.
They'll revert on you people. Feel free. Me
Okay.
also ping me in group. Everyone will respond immediately.
Okay, okay.
Yeah,
Thank you.
no problem. Lakshmi. Sujit, Vicky, uh, Chandrakala. Any questions, any doubts? Don't need to hesitate or feel free. We are all like friends only. There is no that. Okay. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you all.
Bye. Thank you.